I've been in theater for about 6 years now, and in high school I started back in ninth grade, and I just absolutely loved the idea of acting and the way that it makes me feel, and I feel so inclusive and creative. It just is something I wanted to do for the rest of my life. The Associates in Fine Arts and Theater is actually a really fun program where we go through plays from the beginning of all plays created to modern plays. We review them, we read them, we learn about the actors and the screenwriters and everything. On top of that, we also perform plays every semester for people within the play and outside in the entire community. It's inclusive, and you can find great ways to meet new friends and to get along and find them through all sorts of different methods. So I've loved my 2 years here. If you enjoy putting on a show and entertaining your fellow classmates and other people within the community, I recommend checking out the theater program within Pioneer Preview.